Hello and Jai Hind students. This is video lecture for class 11th history. In continuing our video lecture, development between 10,000 to 4,500 BCE in early human life. For several million years, humans lived in hunting wild animals and gathering wild plants. Then between 10,000 to 4,500 years ago, people in different parts of the world learned to domesticate domesticate certain plants and animals, as to use them as to uh, kill, and took the meat and milk from them, and to escape them from dangerous and difficult work of hunting in forests. This led to development of farming and post pastoralism as a way of life. The shift from hunting to farming was a major feature point in human history. With the introduction of agriculture, more people being to stay in one place for ever a long period than they done before. Then they done before. Thus, permanent houses being to be built of uh, mud, brick, and even stone. These are some of the earliest villages known as archaeologists. Farming and postal- pastoralism led to introduction of many other changes, such as the making of pots in which to store grains and other products, and to carry water and produce and to cook food. By side, new kinds of stone tools come into use. Other new tools such as wooden plow, which use in agriculture, gradually pupils become familiar, and metals such as copper and tin were come in the contact of man, and they started to use them for their different purposes, which were more helpful for humans in different purpose. When wheel important for both pot making and transportation come into use about 5,000 years ago, even large concentration people being to live together in cities. So this is a huge change which gradually being connected with human as to development human into a modern early human into a modern human, as according to the evaluation and the discoveries and the changes which slowly make changes in their lifestyle also, as to make it comfortable. Thank you and Jai Hind.